Hello everybody, just an update for you on the Corporate Support Services review. Since the last time we spoke, there's been an awful lot of work going on following the discovery workshops, and what we've now done is we've identified a number of support functions that we think are worthy of further investigation that will then take us forward into the second stage of the project. So the areas that we're going to be looking at will include business administration, which includes customer contact, financial administration and simplifying financial processes, business planning, performance information and data, and specialist administration. Other areas will include procurement, commissioning and contract management, transport, transportation, communications and marketing, project management, training, ICT, engineering and design services. So that's quite a list that we've identified. And all of these areas do merit further investigation, and what we need to do is make sure that we investigate these areas thoroughly and robustly, and each one of these will be looked at as a separate and complex project, and this will allow for different approaches to suit the different scenarios that we find as we look at each service area. We'll be looking for project leads for each area, and we'll be looking for middle managers who've got lots of interest in these areas to take forward those projects and to lead them from the front. So the next stage will be to build a broader agreement about next steps with the wider staff group and to agree the approach and the scope for the work, and this will take place in the next few weeks. We'll be holding design workshops with all staff and everybody affected, and we will proceed from there. We will proceed at a reasonable pace, but we will not rush this because these services are so vitally important to the future of our organisation, and it's absolutely paramount that we get these right. I will give you all my commitment that I want you to be involved, that I want you to have the opportunity to have your say about how some of these will work going forward, and I'm absolutely confident that together we can shape the corporate support services that this council needs for the future. What I'd say to any middle managers out there who would like to champion one of these areas is I would really like to hear from you via Alan Smith or your head of service, because we're really looking for excellent people from within the organisation to lead some of this and to shape it. So I hope to hear from you all soon, and thank you for listening.